Welcome to today's SEO session. In this video, we will talk about branded keywords, what they are, why they matter for your business, and how they can help you attract high quality traffic that already knows your brand. Branded keywords are search queries that include your brand name or variations of it. This can include your company name, product name, or even slogans that people associate with your business. For example, Nike Air Max, Apple MacBook Pro, or Starbucks latte are branded keywords. These terms shows that the user already knows the brand they are looking for. Branded keywords matter because they indicate high intent. Users searching for these terms are already familiar with your brand and are more likely to convert into customers. You can find branded keywords using tools like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, SEMrush, or Ahrefs. Look for search terms that include your brand name or its variation. Ranking for branded keywords strengthens your brand authority, increases trust, and ensures that customers find your official site instead of competitors or fake listings. Non-branded keywords are generic terms like running shoes or coffee shops, while branded keywords include the brand name like Nike running shoes or Starbucks coffee. Run paid search campaigns to protect your brand keywords. This ensures competitors can't bid on your brand name and can take away your customers. Include branded keywords in your landing page, product description, and meta titles so customer can easily find you when searching for your brand. Track your branded keywords rankings and traffic to measure brand visibility. This helps you understand your market presence and customer loyalty. Now that you know what branded keywords are and why they are essential, start tracking and optimizing them today. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.